Stop before you spend thousands of dollars on a brand new 2026 pickup truck. Because some of the most popular trucks on the market today might not be the perfect machines they appear to be. From expensive repairs, disappointing reliability, complicated technology, and features that sound amazing on paper but create problems in real life, these trucks are causing some owners to question their decisions. In this video, Autoverse reveals the biggest issues behind the latest 2026 pickup trucks and why some buyers are calling them a major regret. Welcome back to Autoverse, where we bring you the latest news, reviews, and secrets from the automotive world. Pickup trucks have always represented power, freedom, and durability. For decades, people have trusted trucks to handle tough jobs, long trips, heavy loads, and everyday driving. But the pickup truck market is changing faster than ever. The 2026 generation of trucks brings advanced technology, luxury interiors, hybrid engines, massive screens, smart systems, and incredible performance. However, with more technology comes more complexity, and sometimes, more problems. Today, we're looking at the reasons why some 2026 pickup trucks may become a disappointment for certain buyers. Let's start with one of the biggest concerns: too much technology. Modern pickup trucks are no longer simple work machines. They are basically computers on wheels. Manufacturers are adding giant touchscreens, digital dashboards, wireless updates, advanced driver assistance systems, and hundreds of electronic controls. While these features look impressive in the showroom, they can create issues over time. A simple sensor failure can affect important systems. A software glitch can disable features. And when technology breaks, repairs are usually expensive. Many truck owners still believe that a good pickup should be simple, strong, and easy to repair. But the newest trucks are becoming more complicated every year. Another major concern is cost. Pickup trucks used to be affordable vehicles for workers, farmers, and families. But the latest models have reached luxury car prices. A fully loaded 2026 pickup can easily cost as much as a premium SUV. Buyers are paying extra for leather seats, giant displays, premium sound systems, and advanced features. But the question is, are these expensive features actually necessary? For some drivers, the answer is no. Because when the warranty ends, replacing these advanced systems can become extremely expensive. Now let's talk about engine problems and efficiency. The 2026 pickup market is filled with new engine technology. Turbocharged engines, hybrid systems, and electric trucks are becoming more common. The goal is simple: more power with better fuel economy. But new technology always comes with a learning curve. Some drivers worry about long-term reliability because these systems are still developing. A traditional engine has decades of history, but newer hybrid and electric systems need time to prove themselves. Battery replacement costs, charging limitations, and reduced performance in extreme conditions are concerns many truck buyers think about before making a purchase. Another issue is weight. Modern trucks are becoming bigger and heavier. Extra safety equipment, larger batteries, stronger frames, and luxury features all add weight. A heavier truck can mean higher tire costs, more expensive maintenance, and less efficiency. And while a large truck may look powerful, bigger does not always mean better. Sometimes, a lighter and simpler truck can be more practical. Now let's discuss one of the biggest complaints from truck owners: maintenance costs. A pickup truck is supposed to be a vehicle that works hard. Many people buy trucks because they expect them to last for years. But newer trucks require specialized service. Many repairs cannot be completed at a normal garage because they require special tools and computer diagnostics. Even a small problem can turn into a big bill. A broken electronic component or advanced safety sensor can cost hundreds or even thousands of dollars to replace. Another topic that creates debate is design changes. Manufacturers are making trucks more stylish, aerodynamic, and futuristic. But some traditional truck fans say modern designs focus too much on appearance and not enough on practicality. They miss simple features like easy-to-clean interiors, physical buttons, and straightforward controls. Today's trucks look more like luxury vehicles than work machines. And that is not always what every buyer wants. Now let's talk about resale value. A pickup truck has traditionally been one of the safest vehicles when it comes to holding value. But with rapid changes in technology, some older models may become outdated faster. An electric or hybrid truck from a few years ago could feel old compared to newer versions with longer range and better technology. That could affect future resale prices. Of course, not every 2026 pickup truck is a bad choice. Many new trucks are genuinely impressive. They offer incredible power, better comfort, improved safety, and amazing capability. The problem is not that these trucks are bad. The problem is that buyers need to understand what they are purchasing. A truck loaded with every possible feature might look attractive today, but long-term ownership is what really matters. Before buying any 2026 pickup, ask yourself, do you really need the biggest engine? Do you need every technology package? Are you comfortable with higher repair costs? Will you use this truck for real work, or mostly for daily driving? These questions can help you avoid buyer's regret. Because the best truck is not always the most expensive one. Sometimes the smartest choice is the truck that fits your lifestyle, your budget, and your needs. The future of pickup trucks is exciting. We are entering a new era where trucks are becoming faster, smarter, and more efficient than ever before. But every new generation brings new challenges. The perfect pickup truck does not exist. Every model has advantages and disadvantages. The key is knowing the weaknesses before you spend your hard-earned money. So, are these 2026 pickup trucks really a major regret? For some buyers, maybe yes. For others, they might be the best trucks ever built. It all depends on what you expect from your vehicle. This is Autoverse, bringing you the truth behind the latest cars and trucks. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more automotive news, reviews, and hidden details. Because in the world of cars, knowledge is power.